I've been wanting to make a little bit more unique of a handle end twist, maybe something that could be the handle end for a knife, and I've had this idea floating in my head for a little bit, and so I figure it's time to give it a try. Assuming this were to be a knife, I'll first form a simple finger guard. If your anvil doesn't move, this bending jig works fine. I discontinued selling this bending jig, but recently some guys have expressed interest and I had a few made and I have 2 left over because a couple of guys bailed out. So if anyone is wanting a bending jig exactly like you see here, then just shoot me an email. I was having trouble with my forge and I took it apart and examined it, and then I finally found out that the burner here, the little orifice that shoots the gas downward, got a little bit knocked off center, and so I got that straightened out and it's really humming along much better than before. So I guess I could explain what I'm planning to do, but I think just watching you'll see, because it's a bit ridiculous, but in the end, it seems to work out pretty nicely. I need to give a big shout out to Trinity-KS6NW and to Stephen Watkins for their recent generous donations to the channel. How could I take time for such ridiculous projects without you and everyone who supports the channel? Big thanks. The spacing of my holes is not really even, but I doubt that's going to matter. I gotta do a dry run to get my steps down. What in the heck? This is the point where a lot of smarter people move on to something else, but not me. So had I twisted with the finger guard down, it would have stayed in place better and not got all wacky like it is right now. No matter, I'll make it work one way or another. I used to have an older friend that would say a lot of nonsensical things. He'd say stuff like, "I see," said the blind man to his deaf sister as she lowered the TV. Well, I don't know why, but this twist makes me think of that. He used to also say, "You can't ride in my red wagon because the wheels are broke and the wagon's dragging." Ah, Frank was a real classic. So at this point, I gotta get Michael Jackson on this thing and just beat it. Okay, I'm starting to see something. Sorry for my hand constantly getting in the way. I clean her up a bit and see what we've got. So now I think you can see what I was trying to accomplish, having holes within a twist. I'm sure there's probably an easier way to go about this, but maybe the result would not be the same. I think expanding those holes a little bit will make this better and more interesting. From what this was to where it is now, I'm really happy I didn't give up. If you want an interesting handle end, be that for a knife or whatever, I think this is really worth giving a try. The shape turned out pleasing and it's very comfortable to hold. As you know, we've got a lot more fooling around to do.